Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie, and if you're new here, I do unboxings and I do other things. I recently set up my posting schedule to be Sunday evening and Wednesday evening, and I am going to stick with that. I wanted to make one change though. I had not realized before I started doing this on a schedule that I really wasn't doing 2 boxes a week. And 2 boxes a week is a lot to be opening. It creates a lot of products in my house. So I will be posting at least twice a week, but I will not every single one of those days is going to be a day when I'm doing an unboxing. It could be something else. So anyway, but tonight I am still doing an unboxing. I am going to be doing an unboxing of a ThredUp Name Brand Handbag box. And that is where you get 4 bags and 1 accessory for $100. And it's name brand, and what they consider name brand is Kate Spade, Michael Kors, sometimes Dooney & Burke, sometimes Tory Burch, and you know, if you're lucky. So anyway, I am doing one of those tonight. But before I get to the unboxing, I wanted to unbox something from my good friend Misty from Misty at Skeeter Jones. She is another reseller friend of mine. We talk in a chat group every day, and we kind of do similar things. We both do unboxings and we both do reselling, and it's so much fun. It's so much fun. And I got a cute card. Look at this card. It's her profile picture, which is adorable as can be. And let's see. Thanks for. Love it. Can't wait to see it. All right, we've got. I bought a couple things from Misty. They were so cute. I cannot wait to see what they look like in real life. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait till you see this. You know, this actually reminds me a little bit of when I first opened it up just now. It reminds me of the gem in Titanic. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear it right now. I think blue looks great with purple. Isn't that pretty? It's so sparkly. Oh, I love it. By the way, Misty, her channel will be listed in the description of this video too. Ooh, what else? I know this other thing that I got. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, she made this. I can't wait to wear this. It is so adorable. Oh, they're all wrapped up, but I'm gonna unwrap them at least to just show you one of the earrings. These are so cute. Here. Okay, I'm gonna open. And I will be wearing these for one of my videos. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a strawberry. It's a strawberry. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. I'll probably have to wear these on Valentine's Day. And then there's a matching necklace, both earrings and a necklace, and they are gorgeous. And she made these. You even get the little seeds, you know what I mean? It's red, and then you got some clear ones. So cute. I love that. Thank you so much, Misty. And guess what? There's more in here than that because I'm basically spoiled, I guess. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh! Oh. Look at this bracelet. Wow. It's a faceted green. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. Look at this. It's really pretty. I love that. And then it's wire, so it's kind of bendable. So you can kind of bend it too if you don't want it to be jostling around on your arm. So that's great. I love the bracelet. And then there's even more. My gosh. Oh my goodness. I love watching. You know what? I have bought so much jewelry for my friends out here. And oh, this is so gorgeous. Wait till you see this. Wait until you see this. Oh, this is so nice. Look at this. It's a sparkly gemstone necklace. And I can't remember what the brand name on it was. It really didn't matter to me what the brand name was. I just loved it. Anyway, but look at how gorgeous that is. So I'm not going to take it out just now because I already have a necklace on, but I'll be wearing that soon. It reminds me of kind of like a snake pattern, and I love that. Look at how close, how pretty that is. All right. I love it. Thank you so much, Misty. I love my jewelry. I love it. There's so many things I can wear with all these pieces I got from you. So thank you so much. Make sure you give Misty a visit and follow her channel. You will love what she has. All right, next up we're gonna do this. I got a small box. It's heavy but small. And this is the Name Brand Handbag, and it got a little mushed. Look at this box. It's a little bit mushed, but it's usually not an issue. Somehow ThredUp, I think they ship out enough stuff that they kind of know what they're doing for the most part, you know. All right, and make sure this is what we've got. We've got Name Brand Handbag, $100, okie dokie. First peek is right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. You see what I see? A Dooney and Burke. Oh, goodness. Okay, yay. This, oh, wow. I'm not usually a Michael Kors huge fan. I mean, I like Michael Kors brand name items. I like them. They're not my, you know, go-to. They're not my favorite brand, but this is so gorgeous. This is like kind of a, I think it's meant to look like black lace, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I assume this is the accessory. This is a good accessory to get. It's beautiful. I don't see anything wrong with the front. There's maybe a little minor scratch. I think you can kind of see right here. There's a little scratch. I can barely see it. I think inside there are some marks though, and I think that's the problem. I can probably I'm gonna at least try to get those off. I probably will be able to. That looks like something. So this is great. This will sell. Either it will sell here or it'll sell on eBay. So that's great. Okay. Love it. I hope that was the accessory though. But anyway, all right. Next up, ooh, is this Kate Spade. Cute and kind of small. It's about like 8 by 7 inches or 9 by 7 or something like that. It's a fold over. It's nylon. Oh, okay, it's clean inside. Look at that. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, look at how nice the logo is on this. I don't see anything wrong with it just yet. Sometimes there's not anything wrong with it. I don't see anything wrong with the edge coat. Let's see. Is there something in here? Okay, I don't see. Maybe the inside is dirty? I do not think so. I do not think so. I don't see anything wrong with this. This could be that just didn't sell, maybe. The corners look good, too. Look at the corners. So, I don't know. It's great. I love it. That is another item that will sell. That is really great. All right. Well, this is these are pretty good odds so far. Okay. Next up is a gorgeous, and I think vintage Dooney and Burke. It is that beautiful canvas with leather, you know, leather accent. All right, this is really looking good. It's got the handle is kind of Saffiano leather. It comes, look at the cute little hang tag that comes with it. And what is it? It just says Dooney and Burke on the back with the, you know, the normal markings. So this is great. Look at the bottom. I don't see anything wrong with it so far. Which, you know, it always makes you kind of go, oh no. There's nothing wrong with this. I cannot believe this. Look at this inside. The inside isn't even, sometimes that pink and white interior of Dooney and Burke bags gets a little beat up, but not in this case. I'm really happy with this box. Wow. I'm going to have a price on the screen for these, by the way. These are all going to be for sale. I don't know if this is an actual Dooney and Burke bag. This was inside of it, so must be what it came in. I don't see their name on here anywhere. So someone must have just put it, I don't know. This is the bag that it came in. So, anyway, I don't see anything wrong with this bag at all. I don't see anything wrong with it. Let's see, make sure the zipper works. The zipper works great. So, this is a great, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Whoops. Loving it. All right. Well, that was number 3. 2 left. And the next one is Michael Kors. And these bags, I'm not even gonna, I already looked, but it's always the edge coat on these bags. It's always the edge coat. Because the rest of them are like bulletproof. Okay, I'm just kidding, they're not. But this Saffiano black leather is great. Look how nice it looks. Even the bottom looks pretty good. The hang tag is there. And then you've got this. Looking good, but it's always, and you would think by now they would figure out how to fix. This is really chewed up. So the handles are not great. But, you know, otherwise it's really nice. And the inside, let's see, the inside looks like new. I mean, look at this inside. It looks great. So it's just the handles. And if you wanted to, you could either, I suppose you could, well, I don't think you could probably paint over it. So, I mean, honestly, this is a black bag, so it's really not that noticeable anyway. But it's in good shape other than the handles. So Michael Kors has terrible handles on their bags. Sorry, Michael Kors, but you should fix that. Anyway, all right, next up is a very, very, very beautiful Kate Spade bag. It is gorgeous. I don't even know if I want to sell this. Well, I'm going to, but look at this bag. It's so beautiful. The leather is beyond. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is the clasp that goes in there. And then it's just, I think, is it magnetic? Oh, wow. The inside does have a little, it's dirty, but I think I'm going to clean that up with my steamer. I got a steamer for Christmas, and that should clean this right up. Put some detergent on it, and then, yeah. So it's not, you probably can't even see it because it's not that bad. But the inside is kind of, it just needs to be cleaned up. So I'll put some cleaner on there and get that cleaned up. There's the back. This is an expensive bag. It's a nice one. It's one of the nicest Kate Spade ones I've ever gotten. Probably the nicest, maybe even. What is the piping and the, yep, that's missing too a little bit. So, bummer, but I maybe could fix that, but I don't think I'm going to do that. But it's a beautiful bag. So we got the Kate Spade bag. We've got the Michael Kors. We have got this gorgeous Dooney and Burke vintage. And we've got this nylon Kate Spade. And last but not least, a really gorgeous accessory. This kind of lace-looking Michael Kors wallet. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with that box. I will definitely make my money back. I think with shipping it costs about $120, something like that, $125. So that makes the cost of each piece $25. Sometimes it is hard to make that back if you get a bunch of damaged bags, but I think this time I will be a-okay. So if you're interested in buying one of these bags, send me a note to mystuffstyle@gmail.com. And shipping, I'm just going to say shipping is $8 on one or as many as you want from this box. So let me know. If you haven't subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell so you get notifications. I do post on Wednesday nights and Sunday nights at 7 p.m. Central Time. Not all of them are going to be unboxings because my house will be too full. Okay, thank you. See you next time.